Hello everyone, here's a short video to show you how to make an online reservation for the Tirupati Devasthanam. When you sign in, you're automatically put into a waiting time slot, and then after a few minutes the calendar opens up. Now this is 3 months after the current date, so you can choose your time slot and then hit on continue. Now here you enter your details, age, gender, and the photo ID proof, which can either be Aadhaar card or passport, and then enter the number as per the ID. Now if there's a mistake in any of these details, then we will have trouble when we enter the temple. So please make sure that all the details entered are as per the ID card. In case you want to make multiple reservations, then in the booking page you can choose a maximum of 6, select your time slot and then hit continue. Now over here you can enter the details of all the members in the group, but make sure that you are one of them, and your details will come under general details. So again, as before, enter your name, age, gender, the photo ID proof and the ID number of each person in your group. For Indians, it is usually Aadhaar card. If you were to choose a passport, then you will have to enter visa details. It is quite involved. I'll be trying out the visa for a foreign participant the first time this time. But once those details are entered, you can proceed to making payment. When you hit on continue over here, unless all the details are entered, it won't let you continue. But let's say, for instance, you have entered all the details, then you can confirm your details on the screen and then hit on pay now. Now, if it takes too much time and your slot is taken, then you will have to revise your time slot by hitting on edit and choosing a different time slot. When you hit on pay now, if your time slot is still available, then you can proceed to the payment gateway. It is 300 rupees per person at the moment, and you can pay using UPI, your credit card, debit card, or net banking. So make sure all these details are readily available, so then you can easily go and complete your reservation.